For your Web 2.0 tool presentation, the first thing you're going to do is choose the 3 to 5 members who you want to work with in your group. Once you've done that, one person in your group is going to go to Google Drive. They're going to click New, and they're going to click on Google Slides. That's going to create a blank Google Slide presentation. And so you're going to title the presentation, whatever Web 2.0 tool you're going to use. I'm going to give this just an example name of Twitter in the Classroom. And then the next thing I'm going to do before I do anything else is I'm going to go up here to the share button, because right now this is only my slideshow and I need to share it with my group members. So I'm going to share it here with my group members, and I'm going to give them edit access. So notice that there's some different options here. There's edit, comment, and view. My group members have to have edit access so that they can also work on the presentation with me. And I'm going to hit send here. So now all of my group members have access. It says here it was shared. I can go up here to share again and see who it was shared with. So there's the people I've shared it with. What my group members will do then is they'll go to their drive and they'll click on the shared with me link over on the left, and they should see the presentation right there. Now I'm not logged into my other accounts, so I don't have it because I created it, but the presentation would be there. So now I'm able to work on the presentation. I'm able to work on it, and so are the people who I'm logged in with, my other group members. Once I want to turn this into my assignment area, I'm going to go up here to share, and I'm going to get a shareable link. And so this is where I can get this link, and I'm going to say that anyone with the link can edit, because you want to give the professors edit access so they can see anything that's been done on the presentation. So make sure when you copy this link that you're giving us edit access so that we can look and see what's been done. If you give us view or comment access only, then we can't see the changes and you won't get credit. So make sure you copy this link. This is the link you're going to copy, and you're going to put into the Web 2.0 presentation assignment. So make sure when you do this, you're going to paste this link in here and submit your assignment. And every single person in your group has to do that. So all of you are going to share, give us the can edit, and copy that link and paste it so that each of you are uploading an assignment for your Web 2.0 presentation. It's going to be the same link from each person in that group, but that way you've got something turned in when we look in Blackboard to see if you've done the assignment. And on the title slide, you're going to want to make sure that you have everyone's names on here. So make sure everybody in your group is listed on here. And then you can each do whatever slides you want to do. So I can go here and I can say new slide, and I can format it. There's different videos online on YouTube. If you know how to use Google Slides, you can change the background, you can change layout. I can say here that I want a title, a header, and then an area for text. I can change it to where I'm going to have pictures. There's several different options here. I can change the theme over here to the right. You guys have to agree on these things. So if you're not going to be working together, that's the really cool thing about Google Slides, is that you can work from anywhere you have internet access from. And what we'll be able to see as the professors is all of your changes here. So make sure that you have their Google addresses, which you should be able to get those in class when you come up with your team, or you can get them from that first discussion board where we all gave our Google addresses. But you have to share with those specific Google addresses. That way everybody is logged in and we can track changes and see who worked on the assignment throughout the next 2 weeks. If one person does the whole assignment and the other is only logged in a couple times, then those people aren't going to get points for the assignment. So even though it's a group assignment, there can be different grades for each person in the group. So please take this seriously and make sure you're doing what you need to do when it comes to this. There's lots of different options here. It's kind of similar to PowerPoint, but it's in an online format and collaborative option so that you can work from anywhere. If you have specific questions, you can feel free to reach out to us through the mail option in Blackboard, but it's pretty self-explanatory as far as how to use Google Slides. I would get your content in first. There is a rubric in the assignment area, so make sure you look at that under the Web 2.0 presentation. When you go in here, there's a rubric and it tells you everything you need to include. So view that rubric and kind of follow that rubric to make sure you have everything included. And then be sure that you share that link. Each person shares the link in the assignment upload. So I hope this has helped you out a little bit and lets you see exactly what you need to do. The key is sharing with your group members and then sharing that link in the assignment upload with edit access so that we can see everything. If you share it in the wrong format, then we're going to have to go back and get the edit link, and it's just going to cost you points for not following instructions. So be sure to do all of that correctly. Watch this video multiple times if you need to, and reach out to us via the mail link in Blackboard if you have questions. Have a good week.